So walking is simple because you just put one foot in front of the other and then you walk. However, to improve the walking is another matter. So when you are walking, you have to shift your weight to one leg, and then you move your weight to that leg so you can take the other leg forward. So we are going to do today how to shift weight in order to take the other leg and take a step with it. So stand. And feel, where are you on your feet? We are going to shift your weight to the right. So you see that my head is now more on my right side. And just return to the middle. Both feet are on the floor. You go over onto the right. Soft knees. And then back to where I started from. I go over. I wait a second. And then I'm back in the middle. So if I show with my hand, I keep my hand where it is, and then I shift myself. And then I come back, just to the right. And now you just go over. Notice how my head is on my right leg. And start noticing your breathing, inhalation, exhalation. About 3 cycles. And then come back to the middle. And wait here for a moment. Now we will go to the right, but as we go to the right, you inhale. Return on the exhalation. Go over in the inhalation to the right. Wait 2 cycles or 3 cycles of the breath and return on exhalation. Just to the right, inhale. Both feet are on the floor. Don't do side bending. Just try as one piece. Shifting your weight to the right, then come back and wait. Go over to the right as you inhale. Wait here a few cycles. As you exhale, come back to center. Then you take a pause. One more time. Shift your weight to the right as you inhale. and exhale, come back. Now we go again on the right leg. However, we do it on exhalation. When you exhale, shift to the right. Both feet are on the floor. Wait a few breaths and then return on inhalation. And then wait for the next inhalation. Shift your weight to the right. Wait for the exhalation and then move to the right. And then wait for inhalation to come back. Notice if there is any change in your breath. Maybe it's a little fuller. Now again, exhale, come over to the right. Wait here a few cycles and then exhale, inhale, back to center. Exhale, go to the right. Wait for an inhalation. Come back to center. Wait here and notice your breathing. We're still on the right. Now when we go to the right, you first shift and then you lift your left heel and you are more on your right side. So my left heel is lifted and then I come back. I'm going to turn around so that we are on the same side. We shift to the right and then lift the heel. And then come back to center. So I start without lifting my heel, and then I continue to shift, and then my heel lifts, and then I come back. Go over at a certain point, my heel will lift. Then I come back. Now we do it with inhalation. As you inhale, lift. Shift your weight to the right, lift the left heel, and stay on the right side. Your head is above your right sit bone. Your head is diagonal line to your left heel. And then come back to center. And then come again on the inhalation to your right leg. Stay there a few breaths. And then Wait for exhalation to come back to center. Notice now in the middle if you are really in the middle or you are more towards one side. Now we're going again on the exhalation. We're going to lift the left heel and shift our weight to the right. Wait for the next few breaths, and exhalation, you return. To the right on exhalation, lift the left heel. Wait for an inhalation, return in an inhalation. One more time. Go to the right with the exhalation. Wait a moment here. Wait for the next inhalation and then shift to center. Last time. Inhalation, exhalation. Wait for the exhalation, come to the right. Lift the left heel. Wait a few breaths. And then wait for an inhalation to come back.